Hi, I'm Chris. I was invited a few hours ago by Epic Games to test their new early access beta of the MetaHuman Creator tool, which is really awesome to make your own 3D character and map it with facial rigging and full body rig and transfer it to Unreal Engine 4. So here you can see a small character that I created. I just tried to test out the new functions. So the morph targets and all is already set up. This character is rigged and ready to go. As you can see in his face, the facial rigs are outstanding. They are great, and the shapes are easy to modify. You don't have to do anything just like modeling or open up Blender or something like that. You can jump right in and use it, modify it, change the hair, the body tone, the gender, eye color, and all the things you need to change in order to make your character look great. This tool is coming with the Quixel bridge, so you can combine it with that. So here you can see the online tool, which you can use, and you can transfer it with Quixel bridge to send it over to Unreal, and you can use, for example, Unreal LiveLink plugin to map the facial rig with the real-time animation of your iPhone. So facial mapping is easy and simple to set up. All you need is an iPhone and an app, and you connect it, and you can speak and talk with the character you just created in MetaHumans. Here you can see I changed to a female character and tried to set up like eye color and a little bit of makeup style, the hair color and the outfit too. As you can see, it's really detailed and looks really amazing and really I've never seen something like this before. And even in this viewport, in this online editor, you can enable ray tracing and play some basic animations to make it look natural and see if the character you created works out. And after that, you can it will be automatically saved in your Quixel Bridge account, so you can send it from there into Unreal Engine 4 and modify it there furthermore. So as you can see, I changed a little bit of the makeup, as I said, switched some styles. I think also the hairstyle and the color can be changed easily. Yeah, just playing around a little bit with the tool, which is really awesome and nice to use and really stable already, even if it's early access. And the integration to Unreal Engine 4 is flawless. So I already tried out to send it over. You can send it in 8K, enable ray tracing and DLSS, and make the character and make the character look really great and work on the character inside Unreal Engine. Make some animations or stuff, or as I said, it's already rigged and fully functional and does not need any work on the rig or on the animation. Here I changed the style of the hair and changed the color back to black. The body shape can be short, average and tall. I switched accidentally to a male tall guy, which did not look actually that good. As you can see, I switched back to a little chubby girl, fatty, and then back to the face again. Some simple basic settings like the eye color are easy to access and really nice, looking really good. No delays there. Instant changes of the skin color. It's really amazing. So here I try to find a little bit the better color for a face, and then I switch to the teeth. Here you can change the color of the teeth and the variation, the length, and the gaps between the teeth also, and then make the teeth, of course, perfectly white. So here I play around with the jaw, can open and close it to see if the setting works out well for you. Yeah, here you can also use some basic assets like shoes, which you can customize concerning the color. I assume that they will bring even more assets that you can customize your character with further updates. So these are just the basic building blocks in order to test it out with different characters. Here I changed the color of the shoes, changed the shirt of the girl, and even changed the color to some form of red. Changing the bottoms and switching the color. It's really easy to set up and really easy to use. It's amazing. Trying to find the sweet spot for the blue jeans, little white spots. Changing to a more business style shirt on the upper body of the girl. And changing the shoes again just to try it out. It's really fun. So all white, looking good. Now I think I try out some basic animations. Here you can select idle or some facial or full body animations just to see how it looks and if it's working for you. So here you can see the animation of the full body, doing some exercise here, stretching a little. And back again to the face. Here I changed the form of the lips a little. Tried the facial expression again, just to see how it looks. Just moaning a little bit. Tired. Looking around. Looking bored. Smiling again. Perfect. Yeah, that's all. I hope you liked the video. If you got any questions, send them below in the comment section.